Salvage Crescent. This is Akpabio Street in GRA. This is old GRA Enugu. One of the most desired places to live in Enugu. There's a block of houses coming up here. Of course, I'm going to bring you update on that. It's new. It's a new development right here in GRA, in the heart of GRA. I'm sure you're going to love it. So I'm basically just another day, regular day in Enugu. Went for a site inspection, and I'm heading towards Independence Layout, Presidential Road, actually, to give a client a document. I thought to just show you what Enugu looks like today, what our beautiful city of Enugu looks like today. Fruits, I think this is mango season, as I am beginning to see a lot of mango in town this period. Enugu is calm. The sun is not too hot as usual. This is a few minutes past 12 noon. Today is just calm. Today is just a calm day in Enugu. As always, Enugu is always a beautiful town. Always a calm, beautiful town. So this is Abakaliki Road. We're on Abakaliki Road. There is the old Governor's Lodge here. The old Governor's Lodge is there. There's a redeem here. Museum, Newberries. That's the old Governor's Lodge. Abakaliki. This is Newberries or Museum, Enugu National Museum of Unity. This is Ogui Roundabout. Ogui Roundabout. So this is Zoo. This roundabout leads you to Zoo Estate, one of the most expensive estates in Enugu. And now we've just connected Ogui Road. Ogui Road stretches from here down to Ogui. So there's this new motor company here. New motor company. I'll come and visit them one of these days. You know, Ogui Road stretches from here down to Ogui. Ogui Road is very long. This is Phones Village in New Haven. This road, Phones Village. You can see all the repair of phones and accessories happen in that road, within that area. This is Enugu Fire Service Department. Fire Service Department. And this is Otigba. So we sell land and property, houses within Enugu. If you're looking for something genuine, you should get on the phone right now. Call us on 0809 6737 668 and let us show you genuine properties here in the city of Enugu. This is Chime. This place is called number 1 Chime Avenue, New Haven. New Haven. This is straight down this road is New Haven. This is Ebano Estate. Inside here is Ebano Estate. We're connecting Independence Layout. Straight down this road is New Haven. We're connecting Independence Layout. This is right about the heart of town. Right, this is the heart of town. This is Bisalla Road. Bisalla Road, Independence Layout. Independence Layout. It's a fine road. Yeah. See why people desire to live in Enugu. Because it's just a cool city. It's a good place for your investment as well. So if you're looking for where you want to invest your money for rent, rent value in Enugu is good. It's very good too. You're going to recoup. You're going to have a good return on your investment. You definitely will. Definitely will. So I'm going towards Presidential Road. So I'm going to connect this this side. So this is Parks and Jakes Junction. This is Addict Suites. Addict Suites is a beautiful hotel. This is Legislative Quarters. This side is Legislative Quarters. Legislative Quarters. Addict Suites. This is Pinecrests. Pinecrests is one of the most expensive schools, secondary and primary schools in Enugu. Pinecrests. If you can afford it, it's a good school too. Okay, so we're heading to Presidential Road. So I'm going to connect Presidential from here. So straight down this road is Lagos Street. Lagos Street can lead you back to Ogui Road. Straight down that road. So, but we're still in Independence Layout as we are heading towards Presidential Road in Enugu. Oh, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you want more videos like this, please just hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that when I drop more videos, you will see. Secondary schools are so many in Enugu, and of course, it's so because there are a lot of families in Enugu. People like to live in Enugu, you know. So secondary schools, and so they give birth here because of the calm nature. I think people begin to give birth a lot. Because of the sweet, calm nature, you know, of Enugu, not that expensive, you know. So people just begin to give birth a lot. This is Naija Foundation, a very good hospital in Enugu too. That's the road of... Yeah, Urban Radio is here. Somewhere here. That's where Urban Radio is. In case you're looking for Urban Radio, that's where it is. We are just connecting Presidential Road right now. That is Rangers Avenue. Again, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you get to see more of this type of videos. Let me reduce the AC. Okay. That is Enugu Mall, Opera Square. Of course, I show this place like almost all the time. It's Opera Square. This is Enugu House of Assembly. Yeah. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video right here in Wayek. Video ended here in Wayek. As I am going into Universal Hotel to drop a document with someone. So do enjoy a great day and bye for now.
You